So hey folks, hope yous are all well. I just thought I'd check in with yous and tell you it's the last you'll see of these two. Firstly, my RST Tractech Evo 4 jacket. It has served me very well. Awesome jacket. And secondly, to my RST blade, which is a leather textile combo. I've not really wore this one much. I bought it and the trousers to go with it shortly after buying my MT125, and then COVID held me back and I wasn't going to be riding much in the summer months, so I had to go for textiles. So I've replaced the two of them. Firstly with this, which is a Rika Rex. It's a sort of short jacket, leather and textile mix. It's got a waterproof liner and it's also got a removable thermal liner. Saying that, I'd never actually removed the thermal liner on the RST textile jacket the whole time I've owned it. Apart from just recently there, I took it apart to wash it. This is a Held 4 Touring 2 in black and white, and as the word said, touring in the title. It's more of a touring jacket, so more of a winter jacket. Again, it's got removable liner and stuff in it as well. It's not got any back armour, so I've actually stole the back armour out of the RST textile jacket. I'm not sure if it'll fit, and I took the back armour out of the RST blade leather jacket and I put that in the textile RST jacket. Both the exact same, but this one's a bit more flexible. The yellow one, it was a black RST one that was in the blade. So I'm looking forward to clocking up many a miles wearing these. I also picked up a pair of these Furygan short cuffed leather gloves, summer gloves. I've got a pair of these already in the black and white. I just went with all black this time, but I've had these about 20 months and I've used them quite a bit, and no weakening or anything in them. They're fantastic, and they're on AliExpress for about £25. I've actually got the long versions of these as well that go up to about here, in black as well, that I was wearing in the winter until I got the RST proper winter gloves. So I'm looking forward to getting out with these on these two. And sorry for that split second right at the very start there, where you might have thought I was getting rid of my bikes. So good afternoon folks, I'm now out on a bike, the Naked Ninja, clocking up some more miles on her. And also I'm wearing my new leather textile jacket, which is lovely. This is actually the second time I've had it on, and I'm glad I bought it. I've also found out since the first part of this video that you can actually remove the waterproof liner as well as the thermal liner, so it can be worn just with the one layer of leather or with the 2 or 3, whatever you prefer. Depends how hot you get and what part of the world you're in. So how did I end up with 2 jackets? Well, a while back I'd mentioned I think I had money from my birthday, and the wife ended up giving me another couple of £100 for selling our old Mini for her. We'll put it up there. And I took her down south, in fact, as well, to Cumbria to buy her new Mini, which I'll put up there somewhere. So I think it was 540 I had at the time. The helmet I wanted was 270, I'm sure, and the held jacket that I wanted was 270 as well. So it all worked out good. Perfect maths. No change left over or anything. Spending wisely as always. So I'm glad he never cut that corner there, although I was well aware he might have. So I forgot to mention as well, I bought a new pair of boots. They're Alpine Stars Newland Gore-Tex, and I'd seen them online in J&S accessories, and I think they were £225, and they were reduced from £250 or something like that. So I thought, I like the look of them, I'll go and try them on. It's a brand I've never tried. I want to buy Gore-Tex ones, I don't want to get wet feet, it's just no fun. I've been there too many times now. So I went in and tried them on, then thought I'll have a look online elsewhere and see if I can pick them up any cheaper. And I keep getting these European companies popping up, and this one was called, oh god, nearly got it wrong, Chromeburner, and they're based in the Netherlands, aka Holland. A Dutch company, there we go. So I've seen them on Chromeburner and they were £140, and I thought that is just too good to be true. So I bought them. A couple of days, in fact I think it was the day after I bought them, I got an email, maybe even a text as well, from FedEx, saying that I had a duty and excise fee to pay of £35. So I thought I'll wait and see if this gets delivered first before I pay it. So sure as fate, it was 3 days from ordering that the boots were in my hands, or on my feet. And I paid the fee, so that was £175 they cost me, so still a saving of £50. So the jacket I'd liked, I thought I'll see how much they sell it for on there, and it was £100. I couldn't believe it. £100. And I thought, that's just too good to be true again. So I went in, I put it in the basket, and I went in to pay for it, and they hit me with a £17 post and packing sort of charge for carriage. So I thought, oh, cool, so be it, still a good saving. £270, £117. So I thought, I'll see if I get hit with another customs fee, fine again, or charge. And I didn't. So, unreal. So I thought, with the money I've got left over from the saving, I'll just buy another jacket as well. So I went into J&S and tried on a few jackets. I know, I'd been on their website, seen a few that I liked. Went in and they didn't actually have my size, and the one that I was really intending to buy, that was 140 I think. I seen the Riker X, it was 170, reduced from 270, and it was, more importantly, it fitted me. Although a little tiny bit long in the sleeves, if I'm honest, but better too long than too short, that's for sure, in all aspects. So I'll hopefully get many a miles out of this gear. I've not even tried on the held jacket yet. It's still in the cellophane, and that was about a week ago I filmed the first part of this video. But I'll get out and I'll get it on, I'm sure. The rain is never far away. It actually started spitting a little bit just as I rolled the bike outside there. So I'll leave you to that, folks. Take it easy, and cheers for watching. And if you're looking for any bargain motorcycle gear, check out Chromeburner. It's definitely well worth your while. So take care. Cheers.